Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So for this video, we're going to be learning how to connect our Shopify account using CJ Dropshipping. So we just go to the website here and then log in or register if you don't have an account already. So you can sign in through here on the sign in page, and if you don't have an account, you can do that through this button right here. But since I already have an account, I can just go in and sign in. Let's just go ahead and close these for now. So all we have to do left is connect our CJ Dropshipping to our Shopify store. And to do that, you just need to go to the Add Apps button on the bottom left here and then click Shopify App Store, which will then take you to the App Store page right here, which will show you all the different sorts of apps that you can add to your Shopify store, which is right here. But you can also look for it on the search bar up here. But we can just click the button here, which will take us to the app page. And then we can see all the information here on the page about the app. And as you can see, it has a 4.9 rating, which is pretty nice. And then as for the pricing, it's actually free to install, so you can get started right away, which is actually pretty nice. So let's just go ahead and click the Add App button right here, which will then take us back to the Shopify page, and then we just need to click the Install App at the top right over here. And then it'll take us to the Authorization page, and then we'll just click, no, I don't have any products yet, and then just close. Just never remind me again, and then let's just go ahead and close this. This is just the automated helper for beginners, so we can just ignore that for now. But first, let's go see if we can find a product that we can add to our store. How about this one, which will then take us to the product page right here. So then we can just quickly add it to the list by clicking the not that one. Click the list here, and then you can see that it has been added to your listings. And you can change all the information up here. You can change the shipping, all the other information. You can change the price, so you can see the CJ price right here. But you can also see the total dropshipping cost, including 0 shipping fees and 0 service fees. And then you can add on your own price based on the item. If you just add $20 here, you won't be getting much, which is why we can also just click the recommended listing price up here, which will then give us a better price. So, which will then net us about $69, which is pretty nice. And then you can also see all the different sizes here for the product. So you can also see the different colors and the RRP, which is the recommended retail price, which is what we were able to base our price on. And since that's all set up, we can just click List Now, which will add our product to the listing on our dashboard. And then, yep, there we go. So it's now listed successfully. We can view listing in store. And then we'll be able to see it unlisted for CJ, but let's go ahead and close that for now. And we can take a look at our Shopify product here. So you can change all this information that's on this page. It has all the photos here. You can add from URL as well. And everything here you can change to fit your product. But we'll get back to that in a bit. Let's just go ahead and just close this for now. And we can also view our product on CJ just to see how it looks on the dropshipping app itself, so we can have more data about the product. Here on the dashboard, we can see all the information related to the product, all the order analysis that we need to know. And up on sourcing, we can see all the sourcing limits that we have on the item. And then we can also check our inventory, which has currently nothing here at the moment. But we'll be able to find our item on the products tab here under listed. So you can see here, It has the item all set up. And then on the connections, we can see that the item is also here, but we just need to go ahead and click this so we can connect it to our Shopify account. You can then check the packaging connections or view packaging or remove it here. So that's pretty much all set up. Let's go ahead and go back to the Shopify product page here. We can see that. And then just scroll down and click save what we have right now. And then we'll be able to see the product on the product page here on Shopify, which will pretty much have everything ready to go here on the site. And then we just click in here, and then if you want to change anything else, you can go ahead and do that. And then just make sure to save it afterwards. As we can see here, the status is active for the product. So it's all pretty much ready to go. And then we can also go into the actual store page itself. We can just go here and change the themes. So we can change it however we want. Let's just go ahead and click customize, which will take us here, which is the page editor. We can change all this information up, change the background, and then we can add an announcement bar and also change the home or catalog up here. We can also scroll down and take a look at the featured product, which is our main product here so far, and go ahead and click that. Then you'll be taken to the product page on your store. You can add subscribe to email here, and you can then change the photo of this right here. So here we can see all the different photos that we can use. We can also change all the text and the price variant picker and all the different things here. And so pretty much everything on this template we can change and edit based on what the product information is. So it's very customizable and you can tweak it quite a lot. And then once you're done tweaking, you can go back to Shopify, and so you just need to go to the settings at the bottom here and then go to payments tab, and you'll be able to choose your provider. So here we have a long list of providers that you can use for your third-party payment provider, and then which will then set your store up so that you can start selling. And that's pretty much it in connecting your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. And of course, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below if we left anything out. But for now, we'll see you again next time.